What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to episode 1 of my Mk1 Audi TT track street build. In this series, I'm going to be doing all of the necessary maintenance and upgrades to get my Mk1 Audi TT ready for the track this season. In episode 1, I'm going to install the Bilstein B12 suspension kit. So join me at my family shop as I put the kit on and take the car for a test ride on some New England back roads.
It's over, Dickie. It's over.
What is up, guys? Just got the suspension kit fully installed. We are about to go for the first drive. Car is warmed up. Let's see what the deal is. We got the windows down. It's a beautiful day. Oh my, is this upgrade worth it? This kit is around $1,000. This is the Bilstein B12 cup kit. I mean, but oh my, night and day. From 22-year-old, blown, worn out, stock suspension to a track-worthy upgrade. I mean, man, I can't put it into words. I can't justify this enough. This was worth the $1,000, worth the 5-6 hours of labor, worth getting disgusting, worth having my grandpa make fun of me while I f***ed it up. I mean, it's like a brand new car. The car is stable. It's predictable. And, you know, I feel like I can dive into a corner with confidence, and that's what you need in a car like this when the goal is to take it to the track. My videos up until now have been me kind of just getting you guys up to speed on, you know, the current state of this car. This is episode 1 of the series I'm starting, and the series is called Mk1 Audi TT Street Track Build. I'm up from Northwest Connecticut, you know, up here in New England, and my hometown track is Lime Rock. As we get into spring and summer here, to get this car dialed in and ready to put it on the track. If you're interested in seeing what Lime Rock's about, if you're interested in seeing the process of getting a car, you know, ready and worthy for the track, you're interested in seeing what it's like having a novice, a newbie like me, first time building a car and first time being on a track, you know. So this is a journey for me, and it's a journey I'm bringing you guys with me on. You know, hope you guys stick around. Hit that like button, leave a comment, and absolutely hit that subscribe button if this is something that you're interested in following along. The series is, I've got a bunch of stuff that I got to get ready to do for the track. Episode 2, we're going to do the timing. Episode 3, I got a fuel pump upgrade and a tune and a new ECU, a wideband conversion. I mean, there's tons of work that I got to do. I'm not sure what episode's going to be what exactly. Hopefully by, you know, midsummer, we're at Lime Rock in this car. After that, you know, as the winter comes along after this summer, winter 2025 going into January 2026, I'm going to be buying a spare 1.8T, building the motor with forged rods and race bearings. Probably just going to leave it at that. And then I'm going to be going with a G25 660, and we're aiming to make this car at around 400 wheel horsepower. That's the long-term goal of this car. So, man, this thing is on rails. Man, was this worth it. Driving this car on a road like this, I would have been so worried about every single bump, because it felt like the second the rear wheels hit any type of bump or pothole, it felt like the whole rear end was just hopping around. But, you know, now I'm driving the car with confidence. And man, does it feel good. Does it feel good to finally... I've had this car for almost a year, and the majority, I've spent more time underneath the car than I have behind the wheel. And, you know, having the opportunity, the chance to just rip on it. This is what we live for, ain't it, boys? This is what we live for. Look at that, over the bumps like nothing, like nothing. Oh my God. Oh, it's a little wet up here. Look at that, that was a big bump, like nothing. That easily would have made me crash the car before, I'm not gonna lie. If I went around a corner over a bump like that in this car prior to the suspension install, I easily would have crashed the car. But yeah, if you're new to the channel, you gotta check out some of my other videos, man. I mean, one of my recent videos I uploaded was every mod installed on my Mk1 Audi TT. And, you know, that's kind of like the up to speed video to get you guys, you know, familiar with the car. And now I'm gonna be building the car for the track and street, strictly moving forward. So yeah, man, stick around, hit that subscribe button. I'm gonna be uploading as much as I possibly can all the time. I'm doing work to my car all the time. I'm gonna be going to events. I'm gonna be going to the track. I'm gonna be building cars with my buddies. I mean, yeah, there's a whole lot coming down the pipeline, and I'm really excited about it. I hope you guys are as excited as I am. You know, it's gonna be awesome. This car is already awesome, and I'm so excited to share this journey with you guys. Man, this thing is fun now. Spice right here. Man, I don't know if you guys can see, if the camera shows, this road is bumpy as all hell. I've driven this car on this road before, and I was going like 5 miles an hour because it felt like the car was about to shake itself apart. But I mean, now this thing's just dialed. Man, this thing is dialed. Oh man, the suspension feels so good. The rear just hit a big bump, and I went like up and down a couple times rather than just like a... It was so violent before, and you could feel the rear end hot, but now it's just planted. All right, guys, I'm about to take the car back into the shop. I'm about to say bye to my grandparents. Thanks for stopping by. Hit that subscribe button if you're new. As I discussed, I got tons of stuff coming in. Tons of videos coming up. I'm not stopping. So hit that like button, leave a comment, let me know what you'd like to see moving forward. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time.